Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to create a French mani with stars. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, base coat and builder application, apply a thin coat of Spilt Milk and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Using Whiteout, apply a thin coat to the top of your Silicone Nail Stamper. Gently press it into the tip of your nail and move it from side to side to create a French tip. Using your thin nail art brush, tidy any areas needed before curing. Cure for 30 seconds. Using tickled pink and your thin nail art brush, paint an outline of a star and fill it in. Cure for 30 seconds. Repeat the previous steps. If needed, you can do a second coat on top of your star. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. If pink ain't your style, you can paint your star in any other color or mix and match your French tips. Thanks for watching!